Hi guys, to receive this ceiling lamp for reviewing purposes, I'm gonna take it out of the box first and then show you everything that comes inside, okay? It comes very well protected with lots of foam, which I find really nice, okay? I'm gonna take it out of the box with foam and all. Oh well. Here we've got the instruction manual, some gloves, some screws to use in the installation. And in here we've got the ceiling lamp, okay? I think the lampshade is really nice because it's made from natural alabaster. As you can see, it's really precious. It's hand polished, which is really nice, okay? It's very soft. And the light, it's dimmable, so you can use it with any or almost any dimmable switch, which I think it's a really nice option to have, and it's really nice, okay? Just seeing it like that, it's amazing, okay? It uses E12 light bulbs, which I think they are really nice, and as I've said, they can be dimmed, okay? So what I'm gonna do is place it in here and see how it looks. So let's go. And as you've seen, it's already installed. It was a quick installation, just some basic wiring, and that's all. Nothing too complicated, and I love how it looks. It has a classic feel with the black core, the brushed finish that it has on the ceiling fixture, and the stone looks gorgeous. I love how it looks with the light bulb. I placed a warm white one, and I think it's perfect. Obviously you can dim it with a proper dimmer switch. I don't have one in here, but I think it's a really nice option to have, and it's really beautiful, so I would actually really recommend it. See ya!